G'day everyone, welcome to Dave's Driven. Today I'm going to be paint stripping these rooms, polishing them up, make them look real shiny. Yet undecided as to whether or not I'm gonna clear coat them after I polish them. I really should, but not really my style to do things 100% correct. So we'll see how far we get into this before we regret it, hey? Don't worry. Let your mate Dave, your old buddy, your old pal, make all the mistakes. You can just follow along. I'm using some paint stripper, brushes, rags. First step, give these a little clean, a little scuff, let the paint stripper have something to kind of grab onto. Strip them, scrape them, do it again. Yeah, rinse and repeat. Once I got one down, it's like pretty much the same thing for the rest of the three, right? I don't foresee any issues with this. Let's do this. Lockdown's great. Just doing all the stuff you know you really shouldn't touch. I wasn't sure you were going to notice it, and look, on the car you probably won't, and that's just about clean enough for me to start doing what I want to do. It's one of these crazy things that Dave does when he's bored. And that looks good enough, doesn't it? Shut that back on. No. That's one tyre washed and clean, looking pretty good. Still got kind of a few hesitations or reservations. I don't know how I'm going to polish it and then get the polish off so the paint will stick, because I want to clear coat it again. It's going to be interesting. Stay tuned. Oh man, this is gonna be grand. This is gonna be fantastic. See what I'm talking about with these areas, but really apparent when you stand above it, and that's how you see it when they're on the car. Nice shiny bit, and then not so great. probably why I'm not going to seal them straight away. I'm going to make mistakes along the way, as I usually do. Right, all that's left to do now, get these up with some polish. This one after one pass of polish versus this one that I haven't polished yet. I gotta say, lesson learnt, should really go hard with the steel wool. I mean, it polishes up fine. No lasting scuffs or damage there. So, looks like I'll be doing that again. I've removed the excess polish. Now I'm gonna head up my foam disc here, see how it looks. I'm absolutely amazed at the way this one's turned out. Definitely more steel wool, more shiny, more better. So doing the other in the same fashion, obviously done the steel wool, and be redoing those back ones. I'm gonna see how the wheels age, give them probably about a month without sealing them, give them another go over, and then I'll probably get them sealed, I reckon. But in the meantime, have lots of fun polishing. as a success. Things to note. I say you really want to be liberal with the whole steel wool cleaning of the wheel after you paint strip it first. I think I was a little too ginger on the back ones, so I'm going to have to redo those. We'll see what happens in a couple of weeks. If I'm constantly polishing these and I get annoyed, they'll be clear coat. If not, man, leave them as is. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll be posting more.